Most traders don't lose because they lack strategy. They lose because they can't control themselves. And the worst part, they don't even realize it. You've seen it before. Maybe you've lived it. You enter a trade with confidence. Everything looks perfect. The setup is clean. Then price moves against you, just a little. Suddenly, doubt creeps in. Your heart starts racing. You start thinking, what if I'm wrong? So you close the trade early. And then, the market goes exactly where you predicted. Now you're frustrated, angry, so you jump back in. But this time, it's not part of your plan. It's emotional. It's impulsive. And that's when the real loss happens. Because trading is not a battle against the market, it's a battle against your own mind. The first reason traders lose money is simple. They trade with emotion, not logic. Fear makes them exit too early, greed makes them hold too long, and revenge trading makes them forget every rule they ever had. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care if you're scared or confident or desperate to win back your losses. If your emotions are in control, you've already lost. The second reason, they don't follow a system. Winning traders follow rules. Losing traders follow feelings. They switch strategies after every loss. They look for something new, something better. But the truth is, no strategy wins all the time. Losses are part of the game. And if you don't stick to one system long enough, you'll never see it work. Consistency doesn't come from the strategy, it comes from the trader. The third reason, they risk too much. This is where accounts disappear. One trade, one emotional decision, one moment of this has to work, and suddenly everything is gone. Professional traders think in probabilities. They know any trade can lose. But amateurs, they go all in, hoping this one trade will change everything. That's not trading, that's gambling. The fourth reason, they chase the market. They see price moving fast, and they feel like they're missing out. So they jump in late. No plan, no confirmation, just fear of missing the opportunity. And right after they enter, the market pulls back. Now they're stuck in a bad trade with no plan to get out. The truth is, opportunities in trading never run out, but patience does. And that's why most traders fail. But here's the real reason, the one nobody wants to accept. They never master themselves. Trading exposes everything. Your impatience, your fear, your ego. It shows you who you are when money is on the line. And if you can't control your mind, you can't control your actions. And if you can't control your actions, you can't win. The market is not your enemy. It's a mirror. It reflects your discipline or your lack of it. So if you truly want to win in trading, stop chasing new strategies. Stop looking for shortcuts. Start mastering your mind. Because in the end, the trader who controls himself controls everything.